Warehouse facility design is a strategic process that directly influences operational efficiency, service performance, and overall supply chain effectiveness. The objective of warehouse design is to create a facility that supports current and future business requirements while minimizing operating costs and maximizing productivity. Designing a warehouse requires careful consideration of inventory profiles, throughput volumes, customer service expectations, product characteristics, and growth projections. Facility design decisions affect material flow, labor utilization, storage density, safety, and equipment requirements. Because warehouses represent significant capital investments, organizations must develop layouts that provide flexibility and scalability while supporting efficient receiving, storage, picking, packing, and shipping operations throughout the facility's lifecycle. The warehouse design process typically begins with a detailed analysis of business requirements and operational objectives. Organizations evaluate demand forecasts, inventory levels, order profiles, product dimensions, handling characteristics, and anticipated throughput volumes. These factors help determine the amount of storage capacity and operational space required. Designers then establish functional areas such as receiving docks, storage zones, picking locations, packing stations, staging areas, shipping docks, and administrative offices. Material flow patterns are mapped to minimize unnecessary movement and congestion. Future growth requirements are also considered to ensure sufficient flexibility. A structured design process helps organizations align warehouse capabilities with business strategies while balancing service, cost, and operational efficiency objectives. Warehouse size decisions depend on several interconnected factors, including inventory requirements, service levels, throughput expectations, and growth forecasts. Insufficient warehouse capacity can create congestion, reduce productivity, and negatively affect customer service. Conversely, excessive space increases facility costs and may result in underutilized assets. Effective sizing requires balancing storage needs with operational requirements such as receiving, picking, packing, staging, and transportation activities. Organizations often use forecasting and capacity planning techniques to estimate future requirements and avoid costly redesigns. Facility layout decisions must also consider building height, expansion opportunities, equipment requirements, and workflow efficiency. Proper warehouse sizing supports both operational effectiveness and long-term financial performance. Warehouse layout focuses on arranging storage locations, work areas, equipment, and traffic flows to maximize efficiency and minimize waste. An effective layout promotes smooth product movement from receiving through shipping while reducing travel distances and handling activities. Common design principles include positioning high-volume products near shipping areas, minimizing cross-traffic, separating inbound and outbound flows where practical, and ensuring adequate space for staging and value-added services. Layout decisions also influence safety, ergonomics, and workforce productivity. Modern warehouses increasingly incorporate automation technologies, conveyor systems, automated storage and retrieval systems, and robotics into layout planning. Well-designed layouts improve throughput, reduce labor costs, and enhance overall operational performance. Effective warehouse management requires a structured process for allocating resources to operational tasks. Managers must assign labor, equipment, storage space, and technology resources based on workload priorities and service requirements. Resource allocation decisions are influenced by order volumes, inventory movements, shipping schedules, and seasonal demand fluctuations. Workforce scheduling ensures that sufficient personnel are available for receiving, put away, replenishment, picking, packing, and shipping activities. Equipment such as forklifts, conveyors, and automated systems must also be deployed efficiently to support operational requirements. Proper resource allocation improves productivity, reduces bottlenecks, enhances service reliability, and ensures that warehouse operations remain aligned with organizational objectives and customer expectations. Optimizing warehouse space utilization is essential for controlling costs and improving operational efficiency. Space optimization involves maximizing storage capacity while maintaining accessibility, safety, and efficient material flow. Techniques include slotting optimization, vertical storage utilization, inventory rationalization, improved aisle design, and adoption of high-density storage systems. Waste reduction efforts focus on eliminating unnecessary movement, excess inventory, waiting time, inefficient handling, and underutilized resources. Lean warehousing principles encourage continuous improvement by identifying non-value-added activities and streamlining workflows. Organizations that effectively optimize space and reduce waste can improve throughput, lower operating expenses, enhance inventory accuracy, and increase the overall productivity of warehouse operations. Performance measurement is critical for managing warehouse operations and supporting continuous improvement initiatives. Common warehouse performance measures evaluate productivity, quality, utilization, service, and cost performance. Productivity metrics include lines picked per hour, orders processed per labor hour, and dock-to-stock cycle time. Quality measures often assess inventory accuracy, order accuracy, damage rates, and shipping errors. Utilization metrics evaluate storage occupancy, equipment usage, and labor efficiency. Service-related measures include on-time shipment performance, order cycle time, and customer satisfaction indicators. Cost metrics examine labor costs, storage expenses, and operating costs per unit handled. Monitoring these key performance indicators enables managers to identify improvement opportunities, benchmark performance, and maintain operational excellence.